got a special shipment today from HIDProjectors. Let's go ahead and unbox them. I went ahead and already started cutting it open, and let's see what's inside. All right, immediately just opening up the box, you can see that there is an instruction kit on how or what's included with the kit and how to aim the headlights and how to wire up the harness. And you get dielectrical connector protector. That's great. That's very nice for them. Thank you, Tom from HIDProjectors. Let's see what else is in here. So, more instructions. That's if we get the Angel Eye kit, which I don't think we did. We just got the Black series, which just consists of projectors and the HID system. So we'll focus on this, but we'll focus on that later. Okay, now let's keep opening the box, see what we find. We got some foam, and right underneath that, my goodness. Right out of the box, you can see that there are these beautiful 7-inch round projector headlights. Let's go ahead and grab them and see what they look like. Wow, you even get a dust cap with it to keep it nice and tight and away from the elements. There's the Bi-Xenon projector with a black shroud. You got some wire grommets on the side for it to ventilate, that way you don't get any moisture or condensation. The website is engraved on the back, HIDProjectors.com. Alright, let's put this to the side. I can see that there's more boxes underneath, so let's focus on getting the other 7-inch sealed assembly out of the box. Okay, let's see what's underneath this. Oh, I broke it. Let's see, 35-watt ballast. Let's see what kind of ballast it is. It's a fancy HID projector canvas ballast from Hylux. So this prevents your HID system from flickering or shutting off. So that's very neat. So you get that out of this box. Okay, let's put that back in. You get a relay harness for the vehicle, and that way we can convert the socket. All right, not bad, impressive. What else is included? Some fancy HIDprojectors.com decals. Beautiful. I'm gonna definitely use these. Vista print. I wonder if there's bulbs in here. No, just a bunch of cards. Oh, that's hilarious. I thought there were going to be more Emoto cards, but they're not. Awesome. Promo code. Okay, I'll tell you what, we'll use a promo code for you guys. So if you guys are interested in ordering a set of projector headlights, use Elite Retrofitting to get a 10% discount off of your HID projectors from HIDprojectors.com. All right, let's put this away. Now we already know what's in this box. It's just another HID ballast. Let's get this out of the way. We're just going to focus on one for now, since that's all we really need to take a look at. Let's take a look at the back of the housing. I'm going to remove this to see what's back there. Okay. There you go, there's the H1 bulb. Look at that, it's nice and sealed where you don't have to really worry about any water or moisture getting in. I have to say, this is one hell of a quality kit. It's top notch. Let's wait for the sun to go down and get a little bit dark and light these babies up so we can show you what it looked like at night. Alright, so we're here on the alignment wall, which is the garage door of the house. We're going to go ahead and now turn on the Bi-Xenon projectors for the 7-inch sealed beam headlight from HIDProjectors. It is using a mini H1 Bi-Xenon projector with a H1 bulb and a 35-watt Hylux ballast. So we're going to go ahead and power them up right now. Here we go. Let it warm up. So that right there is the output. You get a good hot spot, a nice width out of it where you can see the left and the right of the garage. Let's go ahead and go for a zoom. All right, so we have the cutoff line right here. You can actually see a nice little blue color flicker going across from left to right. Decent hot spot. And let's take a look at the actual projector. from this side of the wall. We're looking the opposite way. Let's go ahead and go for a zoom. There you go. Look at that. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the high beam and low beam. Let me go ahead and get this set up to show you the low beam first. Alright, here we go. Low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually aim this towards the road. There is a house somewhere beyond that bulb or this lamppost. I'm going to face the projector that way so you can actually see how far the sucker goes. So here we go. Facing, 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 facing. So there's a floor. I'll move it up, up, all the way down there. There's a house, two-story house. I'm shining it from here. You can see it. Move back down, move back up, all the way over there. This covers this entire road and then some. That's how bright these things are. It's incredible. Definitely need to have this done to your vehicle. Shout out to HIDProjectors for making this product review possible. Thank you for again, huge shout out to Tom over at HIDProjectors.com. They specialize in sealed beam 7-inch headlights like this one, and they are hand assembled in Buffalo, New York. Work with the highest quality components. Their experts place absolute care and attention to the details of each and every light that leaves their shop. Each light passes a two-step quality control process where all the components are tested prior to assembly on each headlight, that is, and is fully tested and checked before packing. And their quality is top priority, and all of their lights are backed with a 1-year warranty. So definitely check out these guys. Highly recommend them. And they're beautiful, the high performance, and they'll do anything and everything that your car cannot do yet from factory. So thank you again. I'm going to go ahead and give this set away to one lucky follower. Follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Elite Retrofitting Network, and may the odds be in your favor, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next unboxing video, peace out.